different sound. To learn them all shouldn't be too hard. Let's start with the names of the strings on guitar. E, A, D, G, B, E. Again! E, A, D, G, B, E. We'll never get them wrong as we go from E to E. If we sing a silly song to help our memory, we can't always remember everything we've ever heard. Try replacing all the letters, make them all a different word. Elephants and ducks go biking everywhere until the day they're old enough to start flying through the air. That's when we remember elephants don't have wings, but you can bet they won't forget the names of all the strings. Back and forth, up and down, every string makes a different sound. When they play together like birds of a feather, we'll always be in perfect harmony. A, D, G,